Whenever possible, remove the part from your own vehicle first. Steps and tools may vary based on trim packages or modifications to the vehicle by previous owners.
Taillight removal, 2000 Ford F-150. The tools that we used here are a flathead screwdriver and an 8mm socket and ratchet. First, open the tailgate. There are 2 fasteners behind the taillight located here and here. Remove those fasteners. With the fasteners removed, pull the taillight straight out to remove it. We used a screwdriver to help disconnect the electrical connectors, but be careful. Ours were very brittle and broke when we tried to disconnect them. If this happens to you, don't worry, it's not your fault. Materials break down over time and sometimes it's unavoidable. And that's how you remove a taillight on a 2000 Ford F-150.